Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today topic is about direction related phrases in Korea. So we are going to study about direction related phrases today. Please subscribe before starting the video. Today we will study the four phrases, that is direction, how can I get there or here, or if a person reply you there is a corner or shop, a bank, so that you must know about what he or she is saying. And for this I am sorry but I have no idea. So let's start with direction. So you had already studied about left, right, so this is a little upgraded version of direction related phrases. So first is next to, yeppe, in front of, ape, across, 건너편, cross the street, 길 건너세요, go straight, 직진하세요, along with the street, 길 따라. Please write it down. As you can see, this is the first time to study this type of phrases to you, so you might confuse, so make sure to write it down and later review. So another one is go straight, along with the street. So what is go straight? As you know, go straight is 직진하세요, along with the street is 길 따라. So go straight along with the street means 길 따라 직진하세요. Turn left, 왼쪽으로 가세요. You had already studied about left and right in earlier chapters, so this is just a little upgraded. Turn left, 왼쪽으로 가세요. Turn right, 오른쪽으로 가세요. And if a person said like go straight and turn left, so what it could be? It will be like 직진하세요 그리고 왼쪽으로 가세요. And is 그리고. You had studied and like hago. Yes, so you don't have to confuse in hago and karigo. Hago is just like this this and this as well, but karigo is this and this. Got it? So go straight and turn left is 직진하세요 그리고 왼쪽으로 가세요. Got it? So next will be how can I get there or here. So suppose you have an address in written or in your phone or in your diary, so in that case you just have to show the address to the person in front of you and have to ask like how can I get on this address, how can I get Dongdaemun, how can I get famous shopping mall, or whatever address or review you have. So in that case, how can I get there? You can just show that address to the person in front of you and you can ask how can I get there. So how you will ask? 저기예요 이 어떻게 가요? As you know, there is 저기예요, and how can I get means 이 어떻게 가요. How is 어떻게, as you know, so how can I get there? 저기예요 어떻게 가요. And the earlier was like there. And in case suppose you have a map, in that case you just have to show the map to the person in front of you and ask, and you can just point it out as particular place or address, and you can ask how can I get here. In that case, 여기요 이 어떻게 가요. 여기요 이 어떻게 가요. Got my point? So this is like how can I get here. 여기요 이 어떻게 가요. Next we will study, there is a like if a person like revert you, there is a bank, there is a shop, there is a corner, so he might like revert you in Korean as well. So you must have to understand what he or she is saying and what is the answer of your question. So suppose there is a corner, a person revert you that there is a corner. So there is खोगिए and corner is खन्नो. Location particle है, this is location particle, so we will use ga word, ga. And something have, as you already know, isseyo, so there is a corner. खोगिए konno ga isseyo. खोगिए konno ga isseyo. Some examples like there is a corner. खोगिए konno ga isseyo. Or like it is next to the bank. Unhang yeppe issayo. Bank is unhang. Yeppe issayo. Yeppe is next to them and issayo something have. And next is it is on the corner. It is on the corner. Konnoi issoyo. Konnoi issoyo. Got my point? So last we will study about I am sorry but I have no idea. It might be possible the person in front of you might know knowledge about the particular address that you're showing, or in a map here he or she can't understand the map, so he she might revert like I'm sorry but I have no idea. So how could it be like I'm sorry mian hamnida, I have no idea. Jal murugeseo. Jal murugeseo. So I'm sorry but I have no idea is like mian hamnida jal murugeseo. Mian hamnida jal murugeseo. Repeat it after me. Mian hamnida jal murugeseo. Got my point? So this is the 4 phrases that you have learned about direction. So thank you so much for watching, and your next task is you have to like make a situation, and you have to there is a mention a question like cross the street, turn left, it is in front of the street. So you have to revert, you have the answer in Korean language as well that you had studied today. So make sure to understand first, then imagine a situation in your mind, and after that put an answer. It will be like easy for you, it will be understandable to you, and in our next video I'll get back with you with the answer of this question. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.